This is the Infinix Zero Ultra, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can check your mobile data usage on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the very first category that you'll see over here, that is SIM and network settings. Then go for the intelligent, data and security section, data settings and data usage. And in here you'll be able to, see how much of a cellular data you have used through both the SIM cards that you have installed, if you have installed 2 of them, of course, as well as if you'll scroll the page down a little, you'll be able to see a detailed breakdown on how much data is, has been used by each particular and individual application, as well as this little graph over here that someone might also find useful. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.